Welcome to the Ultipa GQL Fundamentals class. From this lesson, we will learn how to write data into the graph database. First, you need to create a graph. An Ultipa graph database can host one or more graphs, each serving as an independent domain of interconnected nodes and edges. To create a graph, use the Create Graph GQL statement followed by the graph name and the graph structure specification. If you leave the graph structure specification empty, no node or edge types will be created other than the built-in default node and edge types. You can create node and edge types while creating the graph. Each node type begins with the keyword node, followed by the node type name, and a node pattern. Inside the node pattern, wrap the property definitions in curly brackets. For each property, specify its name and value type. Each edge type starts with the keyword edge, followed by the edge type name and a one-step directed path pattern. You can define edge properties inside the edge pattern. Two node types and two edge types are created when creating this graph. Let's try it in the GQL Playground. If you haven't created a graph yet, the Graphs menu will display No Graph. To create a graph, run the Create Graph statement. You will see that My First Graph has been created and automatically selected. The GQL Playground doesn't display node and edge types, but only the number of nodes and edges in the graph. At this point, they are both 0. To delete a graph from the database, use the drop graph statement followed by the graph name. Take a moment to pause the video and check your grasp of this lesson. The correct answers will appear in 10 seconds. In this lesson, we introduced the way to create a graph, with or without node and edge types, and to drop a graph.